Although this person violated my channel and stole my video, don't be too hasty to request a video takedown, because you never know if they already have 2 strikes on their channel and yours could be their 3rd. And if a channel gets 3 strikes, their channel is at risk of being deleted off the face of YouTube. And it's not nice someone taking your whole video, but it's not that deep. I wouldn't want to be the cause of someone potentially losing their whole channel just because they made one mistake of stealing my video. But do you? If you feel like you want to report it, but just know that their whole channel could come down and you could be attributed to that. So because I knew I wasn't going to report it, this is the way I handled my one. So the first thing I did was have a look at their version of the video on their channel. So I clicked on the play button and watched it. After that, I clicked on the channel name to go direct to their channel and see the actual video on their actual channel. After watching the video on their channel, I left a comment under the video, basically just to say it's not cool to download my whole video and upload it to your channel as your own, and removing my original voiceover and replacing it with music. If I was to request a takedown of this video, it would result in a strike on your channel. And if a channel gets 3 strikes, the channel is at risk of being deleted. I am nice enough not to request a takedown, but if you fall into the wrong hands, your channel may be deleted. If the person is not so nice and they report you, basically that's what I've said, and kindly ask them to delete the video. Basically, my message is like an out-of-court settlement. You know, when you can just settle out of court, or if you go and press the report button, that's like going through a formal process, and quite frankly, I don't think it's worth it. If in any case the copying has been too much on your channel and you're fed up and you actually do want to report it, all you'd need to do is go back into your YouTube studio. As we did before, click on the C button on the left hand side. That will take you back into the copyright page, and then click on the one you want to do the takedown request for, and then it brings up more details, and beside it you can see this that looks like an envelope, and if you click on that, then it brings up this contact channel box. It shows their channel name and a space also for you to provide your email address, and it says your email address will be shared with the uploader. Further goes on to say their channel name and another YouTube channel noticed their content in a video you uploaded. And it says your video and the title they gave it, and then it says their video and the title and their channel name, and in this case it's my channel name. And then it says if you use another channel's content without permission, they may ask YouTube to remove your video. Removal results in a copyright strike against your account. And then it says learn more in blue. And then below that it says the channel has provided its email address in case you'd like to start a conversation. And then it says your email address. And then it says the YouTube team. And then at the bottom of that it says send. But in this case I'm not going to report it, so I have not pressed send. But then if you press send, you just follow the instructions after that. I just wanted to clarify that if you send the person an email, it's you and them having a discussion, and probably in that email you can ask them to kindly take down the video. But if you want to do the formal takedown request, you would need to press the button beside the envelope, the one that says report. It looks like an exclamation mark. So if you click on that one, that will direct you to the formal takedown video request process to request the removal of the video. and it's the actual report button that could end up the other channel getting a strike on their channel, not the actual email one. It's the actual takedown request one on the report button with the exclamation mark that may result in a strike on their channel, just to make that clear. I was nice enough not to report it. Somebody violated me and I'm still there thinking what effect it might have on them. That's how nice. That's just the kind of person I am. But let's have a look at what an actual strike looks like on your channel, and it doesn't look very pretty. And this ugly red warning will be stuck on your channel for 3 months. Is it really worth it? The copying must stop. And if you are using other people's content, at least make it your own. Don't download their whole video and upload it to your channel and portray it as yours. That's really bad. I hope we learned 1 or 2 things from this video, and if you found it useful, please share it with your friends, spread the awareness. And thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out my YouTube playlist, my Google AdSense playlist, my monetization playlist, and my demonetization playlist. Oh yes, don't forget to browse through our merch store. Thanks for watching. Bye!